to the technical coding interview question. The question we have today says find the value of variable after performing operations. It's a programming language with only 4 operations and 1 variable. So this increment the value of the variable by 1, this decrement the value by 1. Initially the value of s is 0. So we're given an array of strings, so we're told the strings containing a list of operations. Return the final value of s after performing all the operations. So we see the operations, so this 0 minus 1, add 1 to it, 0, add 1, this 1, 1, 1, this 1, 1, then subtract. Okay, the constraints, the maximum length of the string is 100. We're guaranteed we have at least 1. The operation could be either of these 4. Well, that's pretty straightforward. But from experience, the challenge I know we might have is how do we make comparison of this? Because what will I say that we say that if this equals to dash dash x, then we subtract 1 from initial value. But it's difficult to make this comparison. So what we're going to do is we go by for up in operations, and what we do is for each of the up we split the up because we know that is a string, so up string we can split that and we say up dot split, so that's going to give us a string. Is we're going to return a list, okay, because it will split this. But is it going to split this? What we actually want to do is we may not split it. We want to check in the character. I want to check in the character because we need to split. There has to be a space and there's no space. We can check if this sign in the up, so if that is in the up, then we just know that our x is going to be minus equals to 1. So we're not given x, so we say our x equals to 0 initially. Okay, so at the end of the day we know we are returning our x. Then the other thing we want to do is we want to check the other operations, so we check if plus in the up, we don't care how many it is, we just want to do the addition. So that should work. So the only thing is we want to be sure, does this actually work? Are we able to find this character minus in our ups? So if that works, so that should give us the correct solution. So let's check that and see. Okay, so that works. So this evaluation is correct. Now let's try the other one. I want to try this and the third one. Okay, let's see. Okay, that also works. So let's submit. Okay, great, that works. All right, thank you very much, and see you in the next one.